Hi there, Karen with MeLuna here, and I'll be talking about menstrual cup specifically made for teens in regards to size and design. And MeLuna has always been a front runner on that. For the first 10 years of MeLuna being in existence, we've actually been the only manufacturer to offer a teen suitable cup diameter with the classic standard small. So as of last year, we have now gotten some competitors also into the teen market. And I wanted to show you today how we stack up against that. So we will be doing a side-by-side comparison. I hope you find it helpful. I also wanted to tell you why I still think the MeLuna Classic Standard Small is, in my opinion, the best teen menstrual cup. And I've come up with some criteria that I want in a teen menstrual cup, even for my own daughter. And that is, I want easy to reach handles. And the MeLuna, they are flexible. They come in 3 different styles: ring, stem, or ball. For teens, the ball is probably not the easiest to learn, so I would go either with the stem handle or the ring handle. All of them are very flexible and soft, but very easy to find and grasp. Then, of course, the size, major factor. You want a small diameter so it can easily fold and is comfortable when it's folded. And the MeLuna has a great diameter. It also has sort of, for me, in my opinion, the perfect height. It's not too high and not too short, because if a cup is too short and you can't reach it, that can be really distressing to a new user. Just as uncomfortable as a cup that is too long and just doesn't feel good when you're wearing it. Another option that we are proud of is that the cup in the US version comes in 3 different colors. And that's still kind of a special thing for teen cups. The 2 new competitors that I'll be showing in a second only come in clear. Ours does come in clear if you prefer clear. It also comes in the sapphire blue and the amethyst purple. So let's have a little fun with it, right? And I will put my marketing material aside and go straight to the cups. So we have our previous competitors, which actually are super similar. So I have a hard time saying something special about each of them because they're so similar to each other. I've chosen the smaller size of all of these competitors, and they're very similar in diameter, slightly different in shape, but you can tell all of the heights are the same, the stem handles are the same, colors are a little bit different, shapes are a little bit different, but basically they're the same type of cup, just from a different manufacturer. So I'm grouping them together here because we can talk about them just at the same time. They do have all the larger diameter, and I feel that makes it slightly less suitable for a teen cup, but it could be a great cup for somebody in their 20s or so all of these are the smallest possible sizes in those brands currently. Who knows? They may be coming out with others as well. And all of them are much wider than the classic standard small MeLuna. So now I do have a few cups that actually differ from this group. There is the Lily cup, which is definitely not a teen cup, but it's a great cup if you are somebody with a really high cervix position. If you've had trouble with other cups and not be able to reach them, Lily cup may be your charm, because it is super long and not a super great cup for teens. But here it is. And then here is something that is marketed as a teen cup. Surprisingly, it is a much smaller diameter. It is a diameter that is very similar to the MeLuna small. But what's surprising is that the height of it is actually exactly the same as their cup for adults. This is the after baby size that they market. Unusual choice because it's just so huge, right? And a lot of MeLuna customers come to us, even adults, even people that had babies, because they couldn't wear this brand and found it just too long for them. So to also have it super long in the teen size seems unusual, but there it is. So now you've seen it. And then there is one really tiny cute cup, and it's made by organic cup. It is actually really tiny, so may even be suitable for preteens if you like. We have our MeLuna worn by preteens as well, and it seems to work out just fine. But if you're looking for something even shorter, you have the organic cup, and then of course MeLuna also makes the shorties, so we have this one in slightly shorter as well. But that's my rundown for today. I hope you found it helpful.